Welcome to ATech. Today we will discuss that how you can use two Telegram accounts on one phone at the same time. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So now you can see there is only one Telegram channel right now in my phone. So I will tell you that how you can create another one. So we will move to settings. In settings, after scrolling you can find app and permissions option. We will open it. Here you can see app clone option on third number. So we will open it. If you don't find it, you can simply search it. So now I will search it. You can search app clone and you can see this interface. You can simply click it and now you can see Telegram option on third number. So we will simply enable it. You can see it's disabled. Now we will click on enable and you can see the magic that another Telegram channel is added to my home page. So in this way you can make two Telegram accounts on one mobile phone at the same time. If you like the video, please share it with your friends and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.